Hello friends, welcome to our channel Technical Academy. In this presentation we will study about the diode as a switch, diode switching times and advantages of the electrical switches. So let us start our presentation. So if the diode is connected in the forward bias, then it will act as the short circuited switch or closed switch. So you can see this thing from the figure. Here we have applied the positive potential to the anode of the diode. It means the diode is connected in the forward bias, so it is going to allow to flow the current in this direction. So the current will flow like this. And now if the diode is connected in reverse bias, then it will act as the open circuited switch, or we can say that it is in off condition or open switch. So this is the condition for the reverse biasing. Here we have applied negative potential to the anode of the diode, so it will be in off condition, so there will be no flow of the current in this circuit. Now while changing the biasing conditions, the diode undergoes a transient response. The response of a system to any sudden change from an equilibrium position is called as transient response. So when we are changing the biasing condition of the diode, then the diode will be under the transient response. So as the diode changes from the reverse to forward or forward to reverse bias, the circuit gets affected, and to respond to such sudden change in the circuit, it requires time, which can be defined as, so there are some times related to the switching of the diode. So this is recovery time, the time taken before the diode recovers its steady state is called as recovery time. And the forward recovery time, the time interval taken by the diode to switch from reverse biased state to the forward biased state is known as forward recovery time, and it is represented by small t subscript fr. So this is the representation of the forward recovery time. And now the reverse recovery time, the time interval taken by the diode to switch from the forward biased state to the reverse biased state is called as reverse recovery time, and it is represented by small t subscript small r. So now we will study about the advantages of the electrical switches over the mechanical switch. So following are the some points which are the advantages of the electrical switches over the mechanical switch. So the first point is that the mechanical switches are prone to the oxidation of the metals, whereas the electrical switches don't. So due to the oxidation of the metals which are used in the mechanical switch, they are going to be under the rusting conditions. So due to the rusting, the metals will be defected and the mechanical switch will not work properly. So this is one of the disadvantages of using mechanical switch. And beside this, there is advantage of the electrical switch over this. So the second point is that the mechanical switches have movable contacts. So due to the movable contacts, there will be some frictional force generated between the two surfaces, so it will also cause wear and tear in this part. So the mechanical switches may be damaged after using long times, or after some times mechanical switches may be damaged. So this is one of the disadvantage. But in spite of this mechanical switch, if we are using electrical switch, then we will have some advantages over it. Now the next third point is that they are more prone to the stress and strain than the electrical switches. So as we know that if you can take example of the mechanical switch in the electrical board that we are using. So if we are pressing the button or switch, then we are applying the stress and strain force. Due to that, there may be some damage after long time, after using long time. So this is also one of the disadvantage of the mechanical switch. But if we are using the electrical switch, then we will get some advantage over it, because we will not apply the stress and strain force. And the last point is that the worn and torn of the mechanical switches often affect the working of the circuit. So there will be worn and torn of the mechanical switches if we are using that circuited for long times due to the frictional forces, or we can say stress and strain forces. So this is also disadvantage of the mechanical switch. But if we are using electrical switch, then we will get benefit from this. So friends, if you like this video, then you can subscribe my channel Technical Academy, and you can press the bell icon so that you can get notifications for the upcoming videos. Okay, thank you.